Hey Bo, have you done all the emails today? I'm just wondering.
I've done them all, mate.
Really? I just like you just see like lazing around. It's,
I'm off the clock, buddy. I'm done for the day.
but it's 4 o'clock. You said you worked till like 5 today, didn't you? Or was that?
No, I'm finished. I've got everything done I need to do. I just need a little bit of a break, please.
All right, okay. I just like sometimes I feel like you're just sliding out of work a bit early, you know.
Sliding out of work a bit early.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're trying to slither away for some
I'm
reason.
not
Slither
trying
away.
to do anything of the sort.
No, are you sure? Because like you're looking a bit slippery there and sliding a bit.
I'm not slippery. Dude.
Oh,
I haven't
you have
been
been quite
in the
snaky
water.
recently, though.
Yeah, sensing a lot of snaky behavior on your end.
Oh my god, what an insult.
Yeah. I don't mean to insult you. I'm just saying like you've been a bit snaky.
I'm never snaky.
Well, I mean, you know, your actions would say otherwise.
Oh,
but-
hey.
I think.
Well, in fact, you're looking a bit snaky. Well, yeah, well, look at snaky. Snaky.
Snaky?
Do you know what I mean when I say that? I mean, like sometimes you need to look over your shoulder, you know.
I need to look over my shoulder.
Yeah, you need to
you know,
look over.
just take a little peek. You know what I
Take a
mean?
peek over your
Just a
shoulder.
wee peek over
Take a
your
peek.
shoulder.
Yeah, have a look at the shoulder. Always check. No, not that shoulder. The other shoulder. That. Have a look. Oh my.
It's Blondie!
Chloe, look above you. Chloe, look above you. Look above you.
Hello!
Oh my gosh, that scared the crap out
And
of
she
me.
was literally just chill. She was basically sleeping on you. She was just chilling.
Oh